couple of classes that really made me feel that I chose the right major was an environmental econ class that I took in my junior year. The class was all about talking about environmental issues like pollution, climate change, global warming, waste management, and then tying those to real, tangible economics concepts.
The SEED program helps you develop a wide range of tools that can be used in multiple different career and further academic pathways. There's a strong emphasis on independent thinking, independent analysis.
Yeah, the major has 4 options that are intended to help students focus the skills and knowledge that they're learning towards specific career directions. The 4 option areas include community economic development, international development, social and environmental responsibility, and environmental economics and policy.
You're going to learn how can I independently sort of assimilate this information and apply it to real-world problems. There's a big emphasis on communication in the program. So in one of the classes, students are actually set up with a community group and work with them on a particular problem that the community sort of says that they want some support with from the students. And so they get a lot of experience developing those like professional communication tools with, real people out there in the world of community development.
Corporate social responsibility is really interesting because every company is very different and they have different needs in the community and they want to give back in different ways. So it was really great when I was studying SEED to understand community development and what different types of organizations exist in the community to help in different ways. SEED helps us be a really good neighbor, a good environmental actor, and a good community actor. In SEED, we learn about issues affecting the community and how we can help. How we can partner with nonprofit organizations that help the community, how we can help influence policy to help make decisions that help communities grow and thrive, and how we can make the best environmental decisions to reduce our environmental impact and help the community grow.
SEED trains you to connect all those different stakeholders. They connect the different issues that these different sets of people are facing, and then create a solution that is inclusive, that is holistic, and that tackles every aspect of the problem.